Looking for full-service movers in San Jose? 3 Movers offers professional, efficient moving services to make your relocation stress-free and straightforward. Whether moving household items or specialty goods, we handle every step carefully. Hiring full-service movers saves you time and effort. Our experts manage your entire move, from packing and furniture disassembly to transport and reassembly. This is perfect for job relocations, school moves, or family transitions. Moving costs depend on distance and the size of your move. Local moves are typically charged by time, while long-distance moves are based on weight. Additional movers or special services may increase the price. For an accurate quote, a home visit allows our consultants to assess your belongings and provide a precise estimate. This step helps you plan your budget and timeline effectively. Full-service moves may take from 1 day to a week, depending on the size and distance. Our professional team packs faster than you can, helping you save valuable time. Ready for a stress-free move in San Jose? Contact 3 Movers today for your full-service moving quote and expert assistance every step of the way.